Peas are one of those simple foods that often get overlooked, yet they are packed with nutrition that supports many areas of health. Despite their small size, they contain fiber, plant-based protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to benefit the body in multiple ways. When added regularly to meals, peas can support long-term wellness, from heart health to skin vitality. Number 1. Supports heart health. Peas support cardiovascular health through their high fiber, potassium, and magnesium content. Fiber helps lower LDL cholesterol by binding to it in the digestive system, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels. Magnesium also supports healthy heart rhythm and blood vessel function. Together, these nutrients help reduce strain on the heart and lower long-term risk of cardiovascular disease. Number 2. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Peas have a low glycemic index, meaning they release glucose slowly into the bloodstream. This prevents sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. The fiber and protein in peas slow digestion further, helping maintain steady energy. This makes peas a supportive food for people managing diabetes or insulin resistance. Number 3. Promotes digestive health. The fiber in peas supports healthy digestion by improving bowel regularity and preventing constipation. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria that contribute to a balanced microbiome. A healthy gut supports better nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation in the digestive tract. Over time, this contributes to smoother and more efficient digestion. Number 4. Aids in weight management. Peas can support healthy weight control because they are filling while remaining relatively low in calories. Their fiber and protein increase satiety, which reduces overall food intake. They also help stabilize blood sugar, which can reduce cravings and overeating. This makes them a useful food for maintaining or achieving a healthy weight. Number 5. Strengthens immune function. Peas contain vitamin C, antioxidants, and other nutrients that help strengthen the immune system. Vitamin C supports the production of white blood cells, which fight infection. Antioxidants protect immune cells from damage caused by free radicals. Together, these nutrients help the body respond more effectively to illness. Number 6. Supports eye health. Peas contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect the retina from harmful blue light. These compounds may reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions such as macular degeneration. Peas also provide vitamin A precursors that support good night vision and eye moisture. This combination supports long-term visual health. Number 7. Enhances bone strength. Peas provide vitamin K, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, all of which contribute to strong bones. Vitamin K helps bind calcium to bone tissue, strengthening bone structure. Magnesium and phosphorus support bone density, while manganese contributes to connective tissue health. These nutrients help maintain bone strength and reduce the risk of bone loss over time. Number 8. Supports muscle maintenance. Peas are a good source of plant-based protein, which is essential for muscle repair and maintenance. Protein supplies amino acids needed for tissue recovery and growth. While not a complete protein alone, peas can be combined with other plant foods to provide all essential amino acids. This makes them especially useful for plant-based diets and active lifestyles. Number 9. Rich in antioxidants and reduces inflammation. Peas contain antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols that help neutralize free radicals. This reduces oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and chronic disease. Lower oxidative stress also helps reduce inflammation in the body. Over time, this supports healthier cells and lowers disease risk. Number 10. Supports healthy skin and cellular repair. Peas contain vitamin C, protein, and antioxidants that support skin structure and repair. Vitamin C helps produce collagen, which keeps skin firm and elastic. Protein supports cell regeneration and tissue repair. Antioxidants protect skin from environmental damage such as pollution and UV exposure, helping maintain a healthier complexion. Peas may be small, but their nutritional impact is significant. They support nearly every major system in the body, including the heart, digestive system, immune system, bones, and skin. With their combination of fiber, protein, vitamins, and antioxidants, peas are an easy and affordable way to improve overall health. Adding them regularly to meals is a simple habit that can contribute to long-term wellness and disease prevention. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.